Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open a jar in Invoice. So simply, just as you can see, we have opened Wise account, and after that on the left side you can see there are multiple tabs available here. So simply in the jars option you can see this plus button and open a jar. So simply just click on open a jar. So now here, how to use jar: set aside money from your business, so save towards goal, move money out instantly. So you can get to know that how you can use jars and how it is beneficial for you. So simply after reading this you can click on learn more to read more about when you create a jar. So simply we want to open a jar, just click on open a jar. So enter the jar name here, like I have typed this name. So simply just create a beautiful name here. You can also choose a icon, and after that here choose your currency, like I have selected US dollars. So after that click on confirm, and now here you can see our jar is finally open. So simply you can click on more, and you can also edit jar name and icon here. You can also check statements here. So in this way you can open a jar on Invoice.